Help your child make a special Father's Day gift with these Zenacolor Fabric markers. Buy some plain white t-shirt from your local supermarket or clothes shop. I got these two from Matalan for £8. Trace your child or children's hands with a marker. You can decide if you want to make a day t-shirt or a pajama t-shirt. Next, you may want to write a nice message for Daddy underneath the handprint. I drew a heart central to the handprint, and then I wrote either side, I love Daddy. Then give your t-shirt a quick iron, and you're ready to give it as a gift. I think any father will cherish a t-shirt that's made by their child. Don't forget to wear protective clothing. For the second t-shirt, get a plastic IKEA Kalas plate to limit the drawing area and give a firm area to make for your child. Tie the t-shirt central over the plate with a hair bobble. Encourage your toddler to make or your child to draw a picture that Daddy may love. My little girl had so much fun doing this activity. She was often smiling and she used all of the colours. The plate was really useful for her to hold as well. Once you're finished, you can just unwrap the t-shirt from the plate, lay it flat on the table, then write a nice message to Daddy. And finally, give the t-shirt a quick iron. The pens come with a leaflet showing a link to a website to give you more ideas to use the pens for. Get your fabric markers and IKEA plates through the link in the bio. Happy Father's Day!